Have you ever wondered how you stay healthy most of the time, even when there are coughs and sneezes all around you? It's not just luck. Inside your body, you have a very special team of superheroes working day and night to protect you. This amazing team is called your immune system. Think of it like a personal bodyguard or a super secret spy network that is always on alert. Its main job is to keep you safe from nasty invaders that can make you feel poorly. Your immune system is incredibly clever and strong, and it knows your body better than anyone else does. It's always there, even when you're sleeping or playing. Your body is your home, and your immune system is the security guard that protects it. It's made up of many different parts, all working together in perfect harmony. These parts include special cells, tissues, and organs that are spread throughout your entire body. It's like having a team of tiny heroes stationed everywhere, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. They are constantly patrolling, checking for anything that looks suspicious or doesn't belong. This super team learns and remembers, so if it meets a baddie once, it knows how to defeat it even faster the next time, which is truly amazing. One of the first lines of defense in your super team is something you see every day: your skin. Your skin is like a giant waterproof shield that covers your whole body. It acts as a brilliant barrier, stopping most unwanted visitors from getting inside in the first place. It's tough and strong, but it's also important to take care of it. If you get a small cut or a scrape, it's like a tiny door has opened in your shield. That's why it's so important to keep cuts clean, so your skin can heal up quickly and close the door on any germs trying to sneak in. But the protection doesn't stop there. Your body has other clever tricks up its sleeve. Think about your nose and all the little hairs inside it. They work like a filter, trapping dust and other tiny particles before they can travel further into your body. And what about sneezes and coughs? They might seem a bit yucky, but they are actually your body's way of powerfully blasting out any unwanted intruders that have managed to get into your airways. It's a super fast expulsion system. All these things are part of your body's first defense, the outer wall of your castle, keeping you safe and sound. So, who are these baddies that your immune system is always fighting? We often call them germs. Germs are tiny, tiny living things that are so small you can't see them without a very powerful microscope. They are everywhere around us, in the air, on the food we eat, on toys, and even on our hands. There are different types of germs, like bacteria and viruses. And while many are harmless, some are sneaky troublemakers. These particular germs can get inside your body and start to cause problems, which is what makes you feel sick. They are like tiny invaders trying to take over your body's castle. These germs are very good at finding ways to get inside. They can float through the air in tiny droplets when someone coughs or sneezes, and you might breathe them in. They can also hitch a ride on your hands. If you touch something with germs on it, like a doorknob or a friend's toy, and then touch your mouth, nose, or eyes, the germs can sneak right in. Once they are inside, they find a warm and comfortable place to live, and they start to multiply. This means they make more and more copies of themselves, growing their army of invaders very quickly. When the germ army gets bigger, it starts to disrupt how your body normally works. It's like having a lot of naughty guests in your house who start making a big mess and breaking things. The germs might use up your body's energy and nutrients, leaving you feeling tired and weak. They can also release substances called toxins, which are like little poisons that can damage your cells and make you feel really poorly. This is when you might start to get a fever, a sore throat, a runny nose, or a tummy ache. These are all signs that the germs are causing trouble inside. It's important to remember that getting sick sometimes is a normal part of life. It doesn't mean your body isn't strong. It just means that a few sneaky germs manage to get past the first defenses. Everyone gets sick from time to time, and it's actually a sign that your immune system is getting to work. The feelings of being ill are often caused by the big battle happening inside you, as your body's heroes start to fight back against the germ invaders. It shows that your internal alarm has been sounded, and the defenders are on their way to sort things out. As soon as your immune system detects that sneaky germs have broken in, it springs into action. It's like a superhero alarm has gone off inside your body. The first responders on the scene are special types of cells that are always on patrol. They identify the germs as enemies because they look different from your body's own healthy cells. Once an invader is spotted, these lookout cells send out chemical signals all over your body. These signals are like a call for backup, telling the rest of the immune system army exactly where the trouble is and that help is needed right away. This call for help brings in the main fighting force, your white blood cells. These are the super soldiers of your immune system. There are many different kinds of white blood cells, and each has a special job. Some are like little Pac-Men, called phagocytes, that rush to the scene and gobble up the germs. They literally eat the invaders to get rid of them. Other types of white blood cells, called lymphocytes, are the smart strategists. They are responsible for creating very special weapons called antibodies, which are tailor-made to fight the specific germ that has invaded. Antibodies are amazing. Think of them like super sticky keys that are designed to fit perfectly into locks on the surface of the germs. Once an antibody locks onto a germ, it acts like a tag. This tag makes it much easier for the gobbling phagocyte cells to find and destroy the invaders. It's like putting a bright flashing light on all the bad guys, so your soldier cells can spot them easily in a crowd. This process of creating the right antibodies can sometimes take a few days, which is why you might feel poorly for a little while before you start to get better. The most incredible part is that your immune system has a memory. Once it has fought off a particular germ, a special group of memory cells remember exactly how to defeat it. They keep the blueprint for the perfect antibody weapon. So if that same germ ever tries to invade your body again, your immune system will be ready. It can make the right antibodies much, much faster, often wiping out the germs before you even have a chance to feel sick. This is how you become immune to certain illnesses after you've had them once. Your superhero team has learned the enemy's secret weakness. Your immune system does a fantastic job all by itself, but you can be its best friend and trusty sidekick by helping it stay strong and ready for action. One of the best ways to do this is by eating a rainbow of healthy foods. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins and minerals, which are like super fuel for your immune cells. Eating foods like oranges, strawberries, broccoli, and carrots gives your body the power it needs to build a strong defense. A healthy, balanced diet helps make sure your superhero team has all the tools and energy it requires to win its battles. Another super important way to help your immune system is to get plenty of sleep. When you are asleep, your body is busy repairing itself and getting stronger. It's during this quiet time that your immune system gets to recharge its batteries and even make more of those important germ-fighting cells and antibodies. Not getting enough rest can make your immune system feel tired and slow, just like you do. So making sure you have a good night's sleep every night is like sending your internal superhero team to a training camp so they are in top shape for the next day. Keeping clean is also a simple but powerful way to be a great sidekick. Washing your hands properly with soap and water is one of the best ways to get rid of those sneaky germs before they have a chance to get inside your body. It's especially important to wash your hands after playing outside, after using the toilet, and before you eat. Also, when you need to cough or sneeze, remember to do it into your elbow. This helps stop the germs from flying through the air and spreading to other people, protecting your friends and family as well as yourself. Finally, remember how amazing your body is. It works tirelessly every single second of every day to keep you safe and healthy. From your skin shield to your army of white blood cells, you have an incredible team of defenders on your side. By eating well, resting up, and keeping clean, you are doing your part to support them. So next time you feel perfectly fine and full of energy, take a moment to thank your amazing immune system. It's your very own, real-life superhero. And with a little help from you, it will keep you ready for all of life's wonderful adventures.